Everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching 5-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the property and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is the nearby attractions also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.3, which is the very good. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details we provide, including information about the cuisine and meals open for and dietary options. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2nd. Room category 3. Room category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 8. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, 8 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. Location of the hotel is excellent and guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. The checkout time is 11 a.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. Booking or more details, check the description. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video